Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the Foxeer Aura LR frame. In this quick video I'm going to assemble the frame and go over its features and specs and also announce a giveaway kindly sponsored by Foxeer. First of all, in terms of packaging, the parts of the Aura LR frame come well organized inside this big plastic box, which I recommend to reuse, for example, for storing your wires, screws and other sort of accessories. Here you can see everything that comes inside the box, so along with the carbon fiber parts, screws, standoffs and nuts, which are needed for assembling the frame, you are getting a high-quality Foxeer branded 23 cm long battery Velcro strap that features a metal buckle and a grip pattern for better securing the battery, 3 10 cm long interesting looking zip ties, a battery pad, and 3D printed TPU parts, which are going to enable you to mount a GPS unit along with an Immortal T antenna on the back of the frame, protect the arms and the motors, protect the bottom plate, secure a VTX and its antenna, or just the antenna in case you are going to use a bigger VTX or going to go for a digital build. In addition, you're also getting a 3D printed TPU action camera mount along with a hex key and a nut and screws, which are going to enable you to secure the camera to the top plate. As for assembling the frame, it is quite simple. While I'm not going to go through each step, I think that the following pictures are going to be quite helpful, and just as a reminder, don't forget to use the included aluminum gaskets. Now, as you can see, the Foxeer Aura LR frame is fully assembled, and I must tell you that I'm quite impressed with the quality of the carbon fiber parts and also with its design, as the arms are properly locked in their position, which reduces vibrations and makes the tuning procedure more simple. As for the specs of the frame, the thickness of the interchangeable and replaceable carbon fiber arms is 5 mm and the width is 7 mm. The wheelbase of the frame is 210 mm and it features a wide X pattern. The thickness of the bottom and middle plates is 2 mm and the thickness of the top plate is 1.5 mm. The distance between the middle and top plates is 18.3 mm. The frame supports micro-sized FPV cameras, and on the side plates you can find plenty of holes which will enable you to mount it in your desired position. You can use motors with a mounting pattern of 9 by 9 mm. On the center of the frame, you can find both 20 by 20 and 25.5 by 25.5 mm M2 mounting holes, and on the back of the frame, 20 by 20 mm M2 mounting holes for mounting your VTX. Excluding the 3D printed TPU accessories, the weight of the frame is about 74 grams. The protectors for the motors weigh 4.5 grams. The VTX/receiver/antenna mount weighs 3.8 grams. The GPS and the Immortal T antenna mount weighs 3 grams. The bottom lip protector weighs about a gram. The VTX antenna mount weighs 1.4 grams, and the weight of the action camera mount along with the screw and nut is 8 grams. Including most of the 3D printed accessories, the weight of the Aura LR frame is 92.5 grams, so in comparison to other long-range oriented 5-inch frames, it might be a little bit on the heavy side, but keeping in mind that this frame can also serve as a platform for a lightweight freestyle 5-inch build, I think that this weight is quite reasonable. Anyway, as far as I can tell, the Foxeer Aura LR frame features high-quality components. I like its design, and I think that using the correct electronic components, it's going to serve as a good platform for a powerful mid-long range build. As for the giveaway, one Foxeer Aura LR frame is going to be directly sent to the giveaway winner by Foxeer, and in order to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel, hit the notifications bell so in case you're the winner, you're not going to miss out, and leave a single comment down below that contains the code that you can currently see on your screen. I'm going to announce the giveaway winner in one of my next videos or on a separate community post, so stay tuned. I wish you all happy flying and see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.